Welcome back, YouTube family. I hope you had a wonderful trading week, whether you were trading stocks, bonds, options, or some cryptos, which is what we're going to talk about in this video. Crypto, Bitcoin ripped over 53,000. We had Shiba going up over 70%, and we had the release of the Safemoon wallet on iOS. We're going to look at some news, check out some numbers, make this a really quick video. That way we can get our weekend started. As always, if you guys do enjoy this content, please feel free to subscribe and like as well. And feel free to check out some of my other videos which relate to market analysis and also day trading. Thanks as always, you guys. Let's go check out the news. Okay, guys. First of all, here we are on Crypto Market Today website. We're going to have a look at the Bitcoin play and their moves and what they were like a little bit before this happened. Now, anybody that keeps an eye on crypto knows that Bitcoin is really the canary in the cave, so to speak, when it comes to predicting price. Now, obviously, there's a lot of coins that have their own catalysts, which are going to push them up certain percentages. But when you're trading stocks such as MARA, CAN, BT, they're going to float around the same way Bitcoin does. So this week, when we had the first pop on Monday, and then we had that first push back up to this level right here on the chart, which you're seeing right around 52,600, that was when the news kind of was like, okay guys, this push is serious and we're getting some more momentum. As you can see here, we had dipped back down, back into the 40s, almost, I mean, it did break right below 40, but it didn't hold there for too long. And then we had this huge pop on October the 1st. We had some consolidation around this level. And, you know, again, it had touched this level around 46,000, 47,000 several times in the past as well back in August. Then we had this push on the 5th. And then the last push right here, which was on the 6th. This was the largest push, and this bad boy ripped up over 53,000, which, and it obviously went way above 53,000. The reason 53 was such a big number is because it was around this level right here, which is where these two topping candles were right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my drawing tools, that way we can highlight a few areas, and then we're going to see some other areas where we might make some movement towards. Here was the area that I was speaking of, around the 53 to 54 topping candles right here, and then we had the huge sell-off that day. And then we're going to go back and we're going to look at levels which should be the telltale signs of what we're aiming for next if we continue higher. Now, we did have a little bit of pullback back down to 54,000. We had actually tapped 56 and went a little bit above. So right now, what we're looking for is a basically a move back to this level right here. And this level is right around, let's see here, if I can grab my pointer. We're sitting right around 57,000. So what we're going to look for is a move back to 57.6. And then a move back up to 59. 59 is a very large number. Obviously, we're getting really close to 6. But as you can see here, 59 has a lot of touches. All the way back here in April, it had a lot of touches. And then we had touches here. Now, again, we're talking about a lot of money. So when you say an exact number, it's kind of a little bit of fluctuation. But this is definitely the next large number that we're looking for on Bitcoin. All right, let's go check out Shiba real quick. All right, guys, here we are on Shiba. Look at this chart. Holy cow. This is a 7-day chart. We go this way, and then we go this way. That is a big spike. My God. That is the kind of volume you want to see. The 24-hour percentage change has been 32%. And now it just ticked to 33%. They had a lot of momentum and a lot of social and news and just all kinds of stuff pouring in on them this week. They've been all over YouTube. And honestly, you can see that they dipped down a little bit, but it was nowhere close to where they were before this rip a few days ago. Now, personally, I do not have anything towards them or against them. I don't own any of, own any of the Shiba Inu. But I do know that I'm going to keep an eye on them for another dip. And honestly, around this 22 level may be something that I start looking at. I don't know. I just want to keep my eye on the news and see what's going on. But they were definitely out there. Hey, man, everybody's got to make their move. That's what everybody wants. When you're buying coins like this, you're going to sit on them for an expected period of time. You're going to hold them. You're going to continue to build your capacity to whatever you can invest. And, you know, these are the days that you want to see. You want to see months and months of you just building up your coin capacity and your volume. And then all of a sudden in 2 days, it rips up from 10 to 30. 10 to 35. That's insane. And just, you know, whether or not it holds that number or not, you're looking for that press. You're looking for that news. You're looking for that momentum. Something to get your name out there. Something to get your name in the back of the minds of the people that may be wanting to invest in this. Some big players in the game that maybe want to start using this as an official, currency. So we're going to keep an eye on this for sure. And honestly, I may revisit this next weekend just to see where they've gone. All right, let's go over to Safemoon, where I'm really ready to finish this video out on. Let's go. Okay, guys, here we are on the official Twitter website of Safemoon. As you all know, if you've been paying attention for the past few days, the iOS wallet has finally launched, much to the pleasure of all of us Apple owners. Android owners have had the pleasure of being able to load their wallet and get their tokens going a long time before us. It feels like a long time anyway. And, you know, some folks have seen some different actions, some different, what do you want to call it? I don't want to say anything negative, but they've seen different reactions when they load in, showing their coins, things showing up, different prices, etc., etc. So I've been trying to keep my eye on their page and their releases just to see what kind of updates they've been releasing. If they've been acknowledging that some folks are having issues, or maybe there's some fixes or some enhancements that can be applied. So, you know, I've been checking out their Twitter. I really haven't been having too many issues myself, so it's not like I've been digging deep and like, oh my God, how do I fix this? How do I fix this? This was the one that I wanted to bring up that I saw earlier. Again, they've already got these app updates coming out, and they're also releasing more updates on the Android as well. On the 7th, they already released that they were having a new update, which was going to have some fixes on it. Here, they're having a new improved swap, transactions improvements, which is what we're really looking for. I mean, that's the best thing. And then, you know, the balances and stuff, that's good. It's out there. It's in the environment. It's real. It's something tangible now that we don't have to go and run around hurdles to actually get to what we want, which is Safemoon tokens. We want those reflections. We want to see that stuff just start pouring in, and we want to have a day like Shiba had. We want to sit here, collect our tokens, let the reflections build up for a certain amount of time, and then one day, for whatever reason, you know, let's say it has some news over in Gambia or wherever, maybe a different country that happens, and then we wake up the next day and it's up 75%. Maybe we come in one day and I'm driving a Lambo. But whatever happens, guys, that's what we really want. Keep your eyes peeled on here, and don't just get discouraged if you see any kind of glitches or anything. It's a brand new app. These guys are working their ass off to make it work properly. And, you know, really the only way that you can fix things is if you acknowledge there need to be some fixes. And again, here you go. They're releasing the updates on their Twitter. They're letting us know that, you know, they're getting stuff done. So let's just keep a smile on our face. And that's it. 77,000 downloads already. They're doing their thing. So thanks you guys for stopping by. I'm going to quit rattling on because I can talk about stocks and cryptos all night long and not even enjoy my Friday. Thank you for checking out the channel. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace, guys.